Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will explain about the result of our discussions about visual media. Members are Misbahul Bahri. Next. Visual media is media that only relies on the senses of visions and plays a very important role in teaching and learning process, can facilitate understanding and strengthen memorize, foster students' interest, and can provide support for the content of subject matter to the real world. Next. We have 4 media and worksheet, and the first is Internet Memes, and the second is Live Worksheet and Microsoft PowerPoint, and the fourth is Micromedia Flash. For the first is Internet Memes. Next. Internet memes is one form of visual media. Internet memes have become a viral form of Web 2.0 communications with an ever-increasing number of occurrences on social platforms as in Instagram, from 37 million in March 2018 to 76 million in March 2019. To focus more on the concept of mathematical internet memes and illustrate their epistemic potentially. To focus more on the concept of mathematical internet memes and illustrate their epistemic potential. Math memes are more interesting for students in learning. Next, this is for the example of math memes. In this figure 3, drowning kid in the pool, correct left, and wrong memes, right memes. And the second, then the figure 4, example of web is interesting for students. Next, please. And the second media or worksheet will explain by Nova Tania.
Okay, thank you, Dwi, for the time. The next about the live worksheet. The problem is at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, learning was carried out fully online. This condition often makes students feel bored. This is because online learning carried out by teacher is dominated by doing assignment. And then why ELKPD? Learning media often used in school is student worksheet, or we call LKPD. LKPD has now been transformed with more exciting innovation, namely technology-based LKPD or ELKPD. ELKPD is an electronic student worksheet that can be used anywhere and anytime using a laptop or smartphone. The use of ELKPD in learning impacts student learning activities to be more fun, learning become interactive, and allow students to practice in learning. And then about live worksheet. The advantage of this application are suitable for students because it is interactive and motivates students, while for teacher it can save the time and paper. Students can work on the worksheet online and send their answer to the teacher online. Live worksheet-based ELKPD makes students enthusiastic during learning, independent, confident, and student curiosity is getting higher. And then this is the link about the live worksheet. This is the example of derivative material for function and derivative algebraic function. I will try to open this link. You can see this is the view or the design for RKPD live worksheet. This is the name of student and the number of student. This is there is a material can be watched by student. Then this is the some information that student can write. And then this is the question student can answer. And then this is the multiple choice. This is the some checklist box like this, and then like this. And then this is maybe student answer notasi Newton like this, and then notasi Leibniz 2 dy dx or dfx dx. And then student can drag and drop the answer like this. So this is very interesting to students to learn about the mathematics, and then student can click finish and then email the answer to the teacher. Okay, this is the example of the live worksheet media. And then next will be explained by Bahari. Please, Bahari.
Okay, thank you. For the third media is Microsoft PowerPoint. Mathematics is a subject of study that is studied at every level of education. However, from various fields of study, mathematics is considered the most difficult for most students. Sukmadinata says the difficulty of learning mathematics is often caused by obstacle experienced by students in understanding theory and concept. Why we should use ICT-based mathematics learning media? Because in this era of technology and information, the use of technological sophistications in the development of learning media is not new anymore. One of the learning media that has recently been used is multimedia technology that is available through computer device. The advantage of computers in storing and processing data and making animations are able to make a different experience in mathematics learning so that they can attract student interest in learning mathematics. Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the computer applications that can be used to develop visual media. Through research conducted by Karunia Khalida 2019, produces a product in the form of ICT-based mathematics learning media through Microsoft PowerPoint in linear program subject for high school students. This media is considered valid and practical after being used through a validation process by experts and 2 stages of testing to see the level of implementations of the media and effectively increasing students' learning motivations. And the last visual media, there is a Macromedia Flash. There is one of learning media in accordance with technological developments, namely Macromedia Flash. Macromedia Flash is software that presents in visual forms such as videos, animations, images, and sounds to attract the interest and talents of students to make it easier to understand, remember, and answer the questions to maximize understanding the material. This media is very easy to use because there are not too many tools and new menus. Macromedia Flash is designed as software that it is easy to learn and understand. Therefore, this Macromedia Flash-based mathematics learning multimedia is effective as a learning multimedia that can be used anywhere and anytime using a computer or mobile phones. Your attention.